Today I would like to share you how to downgrade TikTok and downgrade it back to Musical.ly. Basically, in 2014, TikTok was called Musical.ly, and after that they have just converted and they call it TikTok. And that's why I make this video for those of you that want to downgrade back to Musical.ly, and it is still fully working. If you go ahead and click on the home here, you can see we got like the new video from TikTok, but when you go into search it doesn't really work anymore. But at least you get the home page where you can scroll across the video. And now let me show you how to install. First you need to delete TikTok in order to install Musical.ly. So now delete TikTok if you have, and let me show you from the beginning process. So now let me delete Musical.ly, and then you need to go into Safari and make sure you go into this link, but unfortunately I cannot provide it in my video description. And all you have to do, just type as exactly as it's shown in this video, and after that you're gonna go into Eon Hub apps, and you're gonna find Musical.ly on the top. Just go ahead and click on get, then you will receive this pop-up. Hit on install, and now you need to go back. Now it is installing on my device. Just give it a few seconds. And now it has been installed. But first, if it asks you to trust, you need to trust in setting. Just go ahead and go into setting, and then go into general, and after that scroll down until you find profile and device management. And from here you need to make sure you trust, and I have already did it. So now when I go back here, you can see Musical.ly is fully working, where I can like swipe across the video here, just like that. But on search bar it does not work anymore. But and here how you can get it. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.